Hey guys, today we're going to be making a nice Lego flip phone. So let's start. First things first, what you're going to do is you're going to get these, like that. Then you're going to place this here, and that there. Like so. And then you're going to get this. Like that. And after you do that, and after you're going to keep that there. So then next you're going to place that there. That there, so you can keep that in place, and then add these two as well. And 3 of these. Like that's the pad where like you type and stuff. And then next, right. So now here is the finished thing. As you guys can see, it's a nice build, and it's got the screen, the number pad, and it's like a real flip phone. You can hold it in your hands, you can pretend to call, you can close it, open it like an actual flip phone. Well, not close and open, flip and flip and unflip. So yeah, if you guys want to see more of things like this that you guys like, just make sure to like and subscribe. So yeah, bye guys.